Hey, welcome back. Bringing you guys back into another one. This video right here, um, just gonna be going over the brake pads that I got for the Lincoln. Gonna be changing out the brake pads to this probably in the next couple of days. Just the rear pads. The front ones are still good condition. Just the rear pads that I'm gonna go after. I ordered this off eBay. It's a Ford OEM factory brake pads. Here's the part number. It's for the 98 through 02 town cars. Same as the Grand Marquises and some Crown Victorias that are civilian models. But for these Lincolns, no matter what trim level it is, executive, cartier, signature touring, they're all gonna have steel pads. And what I mean by steel pads is this. I don't see much videos on there on YouTube about these Lincolns, of the brake pads to get for them. These are them Ford OEM brake pads. And these are what I mean about the steel. See how this clip is a much larger diameter? Well, the Phalonic ones are the same design, but they're more smaller in diameter. These are the steel pads. The Phalonic pads are smaller with these, same design. But these are the correct pads you want for these Lincolns right here. Steel pads. So yeah, I'm gonna be throwing these on in a couple of days and I'll bring you guys back. Get some new pads. But I ordered these off eBay. I don't really like going to O'Reilly's or AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts for brake pads. They want like, I don't know, 30 to 50 bucks for a set. I found these online. How much did I buy these for? Like 20 bucks. Yeah, 20 bucks. Ford OEM brake pads. And they even have the sticker of where these brake pads originally were mailed to Anderson Ford in Gibson City, Illinois. So yeah, legit brake pad, guys. Nothing but OEM. I just love putting OEM on cars that have it. I don't really like aftermarket brake pads. I like to stick to OEM as much as possible. And I'll bring you guys back and I'll show you the comparison of these brake pads to those brake pads. But that's gonna do it, guys. Thank you for watching, and appreciate the likes, appreciate the comments, and as always, hit me up. Peace.